How's it going, everybody? Mustang Timmy 99 here again. For those of you who are picky about your exhaust tips, or your exhaust, I have a product here that I've been using for a while now. And I'm using my Nissan as the example because of how dirty it is at the moment. As you can see, it is nasty. This is what I use. Even though this is not a boiler exhaust system, it still works really good. And I'll show you how well it works. Get a bit of a dab here on the rag. As you can see, all the dirt and grime, exhaust fumes are coming right off. This is what I use, everybody. Again, these are for people who are picky about their exhaust. I'll post in part 3 video in a couple of days. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day.